In this video, I'll show you how to turn AI into your own personal coach by combining it with identity profiling, a powerful way to better understand yourself and apply your personality insights in everyday life. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your email and retrieve your identity results. Step 2. Open your basic report and take a screenshot of your personality graph. Step 3. Open your AI software and upload the screenshot of your graph. Step 4. Type or paste the official Identity AI prompt. The prompt is, "You are my identity career coach. Use only the information I provide from my identity trait scores. Do not guess, assume, or create traits that are not part of the identity system. Compare my highest and lowest scores and tell me about my blind spots. Clearly reference which traits you are using and include their specific scores in your explanation. Be blunt, no nonsense, and unfiltered." That's it! You now have a personalized AI coach ready to help you better understand your identity results. It's important to use the official identity prompt because it guides the AI to interpret your profile using the correct methodology. A well-designed prompt helps produce more relevant and consistent insights. If you're using a free AI account, remember that there is a daily limit on file uploads. Make the most of each session by preparing your questions in advance. Also, AI may not remember your graph in a new conversation. Whenever you start a new chat, upload your identity graph again so the AI has the correct information. Finally, a word of caution. AI is a support tool, not a replacement for professional coaching or a validated personality assessment. Poor prompts can lead to inaccurate explanations or AI-generated mistakes, sometimes called hallucinations. AI can help interpret a personality profile, but it is not a psychometric assessment. The accuracy of the insights depends on the quality of the identity results you provide. As you read the feedback, ask yourself, does this sound like me? Good interpretations should feel familiar and help explain your natural behaviors. If something doesn't seem right, don't guess. Speak to your certified identity coach or trainer for clarification. Used correctly, AI and identity can become a powerful combination for continuous learning, greater self-awareness, and personal growth. Thank you for watching and enjoy your journey of discovering yourself with identity.